Welcome to Smart School Kids Zone, your favorite school.
Yes, welcome to Smart School Kids Zone, your favorite school. And today's topic is this and that for class 1. Okay, so let's begin. You just visit our website smartschool.infolips.com, and also you can follow us Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, and check our Android game and craft channel, which links are given in the description. So let's continue. That and this. So we use this and that for only one person or one animal or one object. Okay, whenever we use this and that, it is related to only one person. Okay, so let's understand where we use this. So see there, this is used for a person, animal or object which is near to us. What?
Near to us.
So in this example, there is boy and one jar. So it is very close to boy or very near to him. That's why he said this is a jar. What?
This is a jar.
Okay, because this jar is very near to that boy. Okay, now understand where we use that word. Okay, so that is used for a person, animals or objects which is far from us. So if we consider this example, this boy and this jar is having more distance. It means this jar is far from the boy. That's why we will say that is a jar. Because that jar is far from him. Okay, that's why he said that is a jar. So understand? So any object, any person or any animal which is near to us, we will use this, and they are far from us, then we will use that. Okay, so let's see some example. See here, there is girl, and this tree is very much near to her. So what she will say? She will say this is a tree, because that tree is so close to her. Okay, near to her. So she said this is a tree, and see here, this tree is
So far.
Yes, this tree is so far from her. Okay, that's why she'll say that is a tree. Okay,
Yes.
because that is from some distance. That's why she said that is a tree. Okay, let's see one more example. See here, there is girl and there is spoon, but that spoon is very much near to her. So she said this is a spoon. What will say?
This is a spoon.
Right. And see, there is again one more spoon, but that is far from her. So she will say that is a spoon. Okay,
Yes.
what she will say? That is a spoon. Okay,
Yes.
so there is test time now.
Okay.
You understand? Yes, tell me. Dash is a this picture and dash. So what you will say? See, this picture is
This
close to this hand.
this is a telephone.
Right. This is a telephone because it is near to that hand.
Yes.
See,
That's
one more.
finger.
Dash is and that picture and dash.
This is parrot.
Yes, this is a parrot. Okay. Now see. Then there is different picture. See, this finger is changed and that object is also far from that finger. So that's why we will say,
That is a horse.
yes, that is a horse.
Horse.
Right, Bhavi, you understand very well. Good. Well done. Students, you also do this practice. You will also understand very well. Let's see one more example. D dash is a, again that space and object is far. So what we'll say?
That is cock.
Yes, that is a cock. What?
That is a cock.
Right. See some more examples, more test. So again, dash is a finger and that object and dash. So what will be there?
This is a chair.
Right, this is a chair. Okay.
Yes.
See one more. See there. Again that finger is changed and that object is far from that finger.
This called that is a sun.
Right. It will come. That is a sun. Okay.
Yes.
Good. See here. Dash is a picture and dash.
This is a cow.
Right. This is a cow. Good, Bhavi. One more. Tell me. Dash is a dash and picture.
That is bicycle.
Yes, that is a bicycle. Right.
Yes.
See. One more question. Filling with the this or that. See, there is picture. One more book, pencil, and spoon. So these all things are very much close to us when we at home. So we will use this is a book.
Okay.
This is a pencil. And
This is a spoon.
right, this is a spoon. And see this picture. So see there. There is tree, then sun, and then moon. So what we'll say? Because these things are far from us. So what we'll say?
That is a tree.
Yes, that is a tree.
That is a sun.
Yes, that is the sun.
That is a moon.
Yes, that is the moon. Right. Okay. I hope you understand this concept, this and that, when we have to use it and where we have to use that. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button, comment it, share it, and please do subscribe our channel for more such videos, and also press the bell icon. So see you in the next video. Till then,
Bye.
bye.